Top niches for starting a blog in 2023. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the best money-making niches for blogging in 2023. Whether you're a beginner or looking to pivot, this video is for you. Stay tuned to find out the latest trends that will make you money. Health and wellness. The health and wellness niche has been in the top 5 niches for the previous years and still is a highly profitable and upcoming niche. Shots for this would include covering health topics that users spend more time researching, like weight loss, mental health, alternative medicine, and nutrition. If you're passionate about your health and love sharing your knowledge and expertise, then this may be the right niche for you. Technology. Technology is an evergreen niche and will continue to grow in 2023. In this niche, you can cover topics like software and app reviews, guides, tutorials, and the latest trends. Demands for learning online are increasing, and it will be wise to add a futuristic touch to your content. As we move towards automation and AI, there will be plenty of exciting topics to cover. Personal finance. It's said that money can't buy happiness, but managing the right money resources can reduce stress and anxieties. The personal finance niche is highly profitable, and it's more important than ever to educate people on how to save money and make money. Shots for this can include budgeting tips, investment strategies, and advice on starting your own business. Here are our top 3 niche suggestions for monetizing a blog in 2023. You can pick one niche or mix one or two of them to make it more profitable with great results. Keep in mind that picking the right niche for your blog can make a huge difference. We hope you found this video valuable, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and ring the bell to know when we post new videos. Until next time, happy blogging!